Welcome to Miami. It is a pleasure to have you all on board. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, everyone.
Experience luxury without limits. Your journey begins where the horizon meets the sky.
To the best summer ever!
Cheers to that.
We made it! Thanks again, Captain. You are very welcome.
Luxury boating without the ownership hassle. Captain, gas, and insurance are all included. Join BoatPass Club today.